Hello everyone, here's another review on the STIHL FS-240C. This is STIHL's Brushcutter, and this is the lower end of the commercial range. So in this video we're going to find out, is it the best, is it worth it, and the most important thing, is it a beast? So we're going to put it through its big test. We use this product a lot. Here we are doing a garden clearance, and the grass, no word of a lie, is about 4 foot tall. So it's quite a big arse. There's also thistles and other bits and bobs in the grass as well. So this is quite a challenge. And not only that, it's a very hot day. So if it's going to have a problem starting, it would probably be today. Right, let's see how it performs. One thing I really like about this is that the starting system is so simple. So all you have to do is set the choke, pump the fuel primer and pull the cord. Easy as that. And also to switch it off, it's just a press of a button. It's also got a really cool feature. If you press the same switch off button, soon after it will just restart. It will restart the machine with the same button. It's so helpful, it's so easy to do, and it works really well. So hats off for that one. So we're also running on a 50:1 fuel mix. It holds just under a litre, I think it's 0.75 of a litre to be exact. It comes with a nice harness that's sort of hooked onto the strimmer and just literally is wrapped around you. The machine is tail heavy. It's also comfortable to use with the bike handle set up, as you can see in the video. It weighs around 8 kilos, so it's not too heavy, but you definitely feel it on the back of the machine. So without the harness, it's almost unbearable to use. I don't think you can use it. But you can also get the ball horns version, which is the little round hoop in the middle of the strimmer. I prefer the bike handle setup, but that's what I'm used to. So it's got a very powerful, smooth engine, pumping out nearly 38cc. It eats through almost anything in the garden. We were tackling some very overgrown thistles and weeds, and of course the 4 foot grass. So it was definitely working hard here, and it was going on for a couple of hours, so it was no easy feat. It covers a lot of ground, it saves loads of time, especially with the STIHL's easy strimmer head being self-wiring. And if you haven't seen one of those, I'll literally just put a picture in the corner and I'll put a link below so you can have a look at one and potentially buy one. It takes 2.4mm wire, and you can also get a STIHL cutting head for heavier work. It's like a STIHL blade that goes on the end of it as well. We use this tool a lot for all around the garden and out on jobs. We've had 0 problems. I can't recommend this product enough. It's just so good. You know, you just don't need any other strimmer really. We've had a few in the past, and this definitely does it all. It's all the power you ever need. And it's all the strimmer you'd ever need really. So this is part of the commercial range. So it's a proven strimmer. It's definitely capable of doing loads and loads of work. And I'll also leave a link for this strimmer below as well, along with the accessories. So as you can see, it goes through the garden. It's just powering through it. No problems at all. It just makes light work of something usually quite difficult and tiresome. And also be sure to use your PPE. Put your helmet on, ear defenders and the visor. Just make sure nothing flicks up and hits you in the face. It's also quite nice to swing the strimmer around. It's not cumbersome to use. The only criticism I have really is that the harness in the strimmer isn't really ideal for smaller people really. It's we've got it on the lowest setting for height and stuff, and it's a little bit too low still. So I would just wish there was more adjustment on the harness. So to wrap this video up, is it worth it? 100%. I think we paid £550. I think you can get it about the 500 mark roughly for the lower end model. So it's definitely worth it. Yeah, it's definitely better than the rest of these trimmers that I've used in the past. There'll be more reviews on more trimmers to come very soon. We've got a few more to try out, so stay tuned for those. Definitely put this as one of your options if you're in the market to buy one. This is a great strimmer, and you won't be disappointed when you get it, that's for sure. I just hope the video has done this justice. So any questions or comments, or if you have one, let us know below and we'll get back to you. So thanks for watching, keep subscribing, hit the like button for more videos to come. Till the next time.